As Rocket Lab's Neutron rocket keeps preparing for its eventual launch with payloads up to 13,000 kilograms, it opened Launch Complex 3, a dedicated facility for Neutron's testing, launch, and landing. Located at the Mid-Atlantic Regional Spaceport within NASA's Wallops Flight Facility in Virginia, this launch site is critical for ensuring American leadership in space and will support Neutron's maiden flight, expected by the end of 2025. The company has signed contracts with the U.S. Air Force and a confidential commercial satellite constellation operator for Neutron launches. According to Rocket Lab's CEO, Sir Peter Beck, Launch Complex 3 represents a commitment to providing assured access to space and launch site diversity for the United States' most important missions. The Virginia-based launch site will enable the country to quickly and reliably reach low Earth orbit and beyond. Governor Glenn Youngkin praised the launch site's opening, highlighting Virginia's growing role in the commercial space industry. Neutron's development is progressing rapidly, with the company having completed significant milestones, including static fire tests of the Archimedes engine and qualification of the rocket stages. Rocket Lab is also building a landing platform called Return on Investment to support Neutron's reusability capabilities, because Neutron's first stage is equipped with 9 Archimedes engines, which use liquid methane and liquid oxygen. The rocket's design features a unique Hungry Hippo fairing system, allowing the second stage to be deployed while the first stage returns to Earth. While we wait for Neutron to lift off, NuScale Power announced its support for a landmark agreement between Entra1 Energy and the Tennessee Valley Authority, TVA, to deploy up to 6 gigawatts of NuScale's small modular reactor, SMR, capacity across TVA's 7-state service region. This deployment program is the largest SMR deployment in U.S. history and is expected to deliver enough carbon-free baseload electricity to power at least the equivalent of the entire Dallas-Fort Worth metropolitan area. The partnership combines TVA's experience as a community-serving utility, Entra1's innovative development models, and NuScale's U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission, NRC, approved SMR technology. NuScale's SMR technology is designed to provide reliable, carbon-free baseload power, which is essential for driving America's economic future, powering AI data centers, critical mining, semiconductor manufacturing, and energy-intensive industries. According to John Hopkins, NuScale's president and chief executive officer, Entra1's team brings exceptional value to the partnership, with expertise in energy sales, investment, asset management, and project finance. Together, NuScale and Entra1 Energy are poised to meet America's surging demand for reliable, carbon-free baseload power. Skip Alvarado, Entra1 Energy's chief projects officer, emphasized the importance of dependable electricity for America's future, stating that energy security is national security. The program aims to deploy 6 Entra1 Energy plants, each powered by multiple NuScale power modules, to provide up to 6 GDW of firm 24/7 baseload power within TVA's service region. NuScale's modular, factory-fabricated design offers construction efficiency and scalability, with applications ranging from electric power generation to hydrogen production, district heating, desalination, and industrial process heat. This partnership directly supports the nation's energy dominance agenda and call to accelerate deployment of advanced nuclear technologies as a cornerstone of U.S. energy security. NuScale's SMR technology has already received NRC approval, and the company has partnered with Entra1 Energy to commercialize its SMR technology globally. NuScale has also partnered with Standard Power to deploy its SMR technology for data centers in Ohio and Pennsylvania, which will provide nearly 2 GW of clean energy. Then, in the run-up to Rivian's R2 model launch, it announced that its founder and CEO, RJ Scaringe, will participate in 2 prominent conferences. On September 10th at 12:25 p.m. PT, Scaringe will engage in a fireside chat at the 2025 Goldman Sachs Communicopia Plus Technology Conference. The following day, on September 11th at 4:50 p.m. PT, he will participate in another fireside chat at Morgan Stanley's 13th Annual Laguna Conference. Both events will feature live webcasts, allowing investors and enthusiasts to tune in and gain insights into Rivian's progress. Out on the water, look out for Ocean Power Technologies' release of its fiscal 2026 first quarter earnings on September 15th, after the market closes. OPT just revealed that it has shipped 2 WAM-V unmanned surface vehicles, USVs, to Rema International Group, RIG, a privately held company based in the UAE with a focus on military services. RIG will utilize these vehicles to demonstrate their expeditionary capabilities and autonomous ocean operations. This shipment highlights OPT's growing presence in the Middle East, where the company has recently seen an increase in its fleet and contract wins. According to Jason Weed, SVP of Commercial Sales at OPT, the shipment underscores the company's commitment to delivering cost-effective and resilient maritime security solutions. OPT's AI-enabled ocean technologies have already shown promising results, and the company expects to accelerate adoption and expand demand across the region. To further strengthen its presence, OPT plans to establish a sales and operations office in the region, accompanied by strategic hires. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.